Good Tuesday morning, everyone. Once again, tracking the rain moving out of the area. What we're seeing, though, is that rain beginning to freeze on some of the roadways as temperatures are now dropping very close to freezing. And even if we are above freezing, the ground has been frozen solid for months now. So what that means is we're seeing some ice accumulations, especially on secondary and rural roadways. These are the areas that are picking up some minor ice accumulations as temperatures get very close to freezing. Now in Saginaw, we're at 34. We're at freezing in Alma at 32. It's 34 in Mount Pleasant, Clare, and Owasso. 36 for Bad Axe, Caro, and Flint, 37 in Tawas, and 41 in Lexington. So watch out for a little bit of slick spot here and there this morning. As we go to the late morning and early afternoon, we'll start to watch for snowfall, really picking up as we get a very strong westerly wind coming in off of Lake Michigan. And in anticipation of that, some of our counties from Roscommon, Gratiot, Isabella, east are under those winter weather advisories. That does include places near Iosco and counties near Ogama as well. Currently under winter weather advisories, and it's likely that these areas will pick up 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. I think east of here into the Thumb along Interstate 75, closer to 1 to maybe 1.5 inches of snow as you go out this afternoon. We also have wind advisories to talk about for the counties highlighted in brown. We're looking at winds sustained 15 to 25 miles per hour, but we've already seen gusts well in excess of 40 at times. And that will continue to be the case as we go throughout the day today. So as the snow begins to develop, the heavy snowfall at times with those bursts that come in off of Lake Michigan on top of winds that'll be gusting up to 30-40 miles per hour, that could create some whiteout conditions. So heads up, especially on your north and south commutes going anywhere from 75, also Highway Interstate 69, 475. These are the locations that could have some travel troubles out there, and also US 23. So here's our area of low pressure. This bubble has pushed the rain towards the east. Now the cold air is invading most of Michigan, and that's why we're seeing it all changing over to snow. This little area of moisture across Wisconsin pivots east, and that will give us the scattered snow showers off and on with a general 1 to 2 inch snowfall. Again, I think the higher totals will be in western and northern parts of our communities. But what we will notice is the big temperature drop where most of the western part of the state is now below freezing, and they started into the mid-40s this morning like we did as well. So this afternoon's temperatures are actually going to be much colder than what we're currently at. I'm thinking many spots will be into the low 20s by the time we head towards the evening rush between 4, 5, and 6 o'clock tonight and getting ready for dinner time. So here's our area of low pressure. It's strengthening, meaning the winds will stay fairly strong as we go throughout the day today. The winds coming in over Lake Michigan will help enhance some of that moisture. So there's the scattered snow shower potential all the way into the evening and overnight. Tomorrow morning, we could have a few slick spots out there, so heads up for that. The good news, though, is tomorrow morning into the afternoon, we're looking at the winds calming down and the snow threat winding down as well. We'll still hold on to lake effect flurries and light snow showers, but I think any accumulations would likely occur today, and then we'll start to wane the winds and also calm down the lake effect as we go into your Wednesday. So a high today, we've already hit it. This afternoon, low to mid-20s. Tonight into the teens, but overnight wind chills and into tomorrow morning could be below 0, maybe as low as -5 to -10. And we're looking at 25 for a high on Wednesday with a few scattered flurries and light snow showers. And then we look at Thursday night into Friday for the next chance to see some possible accumulations of snow. Looks like that system will be a rather light one as well.